हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं मैथ्स की क्लास में कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट लेके आया हूँ, वो भी विदाउट फार्मूला, विदाउट यूजिंग फार्मूला। एसआई के बारे में आप सबको पता है। एसआई होता है प्रिंसिपल इंटू रेट इंटू टाइम अपॉन 100, पीआरटी अपॉन 100। एसआई इज इक्वल टू पीआरटी अपॉन 100। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट भी एसआरटी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की तरह है, बस इसमें डिफरेंस इतना सा है कि इसमें हर साल के बाद या हर हाफ ईयरली, जितने भी टाइम के लिए इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है, हाफ ईयरली और एनुअली, इसके बाद जो नया प्रिंसिपल उसमें क्रिएट हो जाएगा। जो भी इंटरेस्ट के बाद ऐड होके जो प्रिंसिपल है, जैसे एक साल के बाद जो प्रिंसिपल लगा, इनिशियल प्रिंसिपल था 1000, उस पर 10% रेट है, एनुअल है, तो इंटरेस्ट लगने के बाद जो नया प्रिंसिपल होगा, वो नया प्रिंसिपल अगले साल के लिए प्रिंसिपल का काम करेगा, और वो प्रिंसिपल इनिशियल प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट के इक्वल होगा। वो इंटरेस्ट हम एसआई के फॉर्मूले से, पीआरटी अपॉन 100 फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। एक एग्जांपल हम देखेंगे एसआई और सीआई का। जैसे कि कोई सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है जो कि 3 इयर्स के लिए है, एसआई वेयर पी इज 1000, principal is rupees 1000, time is 3 years, and rate is 10% annual. Now this is 10% per year. Now if we want to calculate SI for 3 years, we can directly use the formula PRT upon 100, or we can write 1000 into 10 into 3 upon 100. So we can cancel out this. This will become rupees 300. Now if we are calculating CI for the same thing, but here we have calculated SI is 300, so final amount is principal plus SI, so this will become 1000 plus 300, so this is equal to rupees 1300. Now if we are calculating CI for the same, so CI for 1 year, so we have to calculate for 1 year, 2 year, and then 3 year. So CI for 1 year, it will be 1000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So this will become rupees 100. Now new amount will be, or we can say this amount is new principal. So principal for second year, we can write principal for second year will be 1000 plus 100, that is rupees 1100. Now CI for second year, now this will be, here our principal has become 1100 into 10. Now second year is also 1 year, so we'll take time is equal to 1 year upon 100. So we can write rupees 110. Now new SI is, new interest is 110. So principal for third year will be 1100 plus 110. So this will become 1210 rupees, 1210. Now CI for third year, again using same formula like SI, but our principal has changed. 1210 into 10 into, again time is 1 year upon 100. So this will become rupees 121. So now final amount after 3 years, the amount will be 1210 plus 121. So this will become 1331 rupees, 1331. So we can calculate CI, total CI. Total CI is equal to 1331 minus initial principal, that is our 1000. So this will become rupees 331. Now we can see CI is for 3 years is rupees 331 while SI is rupees 300. So CI is greater. So like this we can do number of problem. इसमें कभी कभी आपको क्वेश्चन मिल सकते हैं सीआई के कि कोई भी कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली और कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली और कंपाउंडेड एनुअली। सो एक पीरियड है जिसके बाद प्रिंसिपल चेंज हो रहा है, तो जिस पीरियड के बाद प्रिंसिपल चेंज होता है उस पीरियड को हम कहते हैं कन्वर्जन पीरियड। आइए हम एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं। एक मशीन है जिसकी कॉस्ट 10% एवरी ईयर डेप्रिशिएट करती है, मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू 10% पिछले साल से 10% नेक्स्ट ईयर कम हो जाती है। अगर इसकी सेकेंड ईयर में 2250 वैल्यू रिड्यूस हुई हो, डेप्रिशिएट हुई हो, तो आपको इसकी ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पता करनी है। तो इसकी जो ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट है उसको पता करेंगे। तो लेट द ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट बी, लेट द ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 100। तो रुपीज 100 जब 10% से डेप्रिशिएट करेगी तो नाउ 100 into 10 upon 100 into 1 is the time. For first year it will depreciate. First year depreciation is equal to rupees 10. So cost for or value for second year will be 100 is the initial price. Now 10 has been reduced, so 100 minus 10 is rupees 90. So now it has been reduced by, now reduced cost is after 1 year its new cost is 90 rupees. Now depreciation for second year depreciation is equal to 90 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So this will become rupees 9. Now it will reduce by rupees 9. Now if we equate this with the original cost, that is the original depreciation value, that is 2250. Now here it is 9 when we are considering original cost as 100. Now the original value or cost will be 100 upon 9 into 2250, because 100 is the cost, 9 is the depreciation, and the real depreciation is 2250. I will cut it, 9 to the 18 and 9 5 the 45. So this will become rupees 25,000. Now rupees 25,000 is the original value of the machine. एक और न्यूमेरिकल लेके आए हैं, इसमें किसी सम पे, किसी अमाउंट पे 10% कंपाउंडेड एनुअली का रेट से इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है। इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर इज गिवन which is 1728. So we have to find the original amount. How can we find that? Now let the principal is equal to rupees 100. Now second year, or we can calculate first year interest. First year interest is equal to 100 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So this will become rupees 10. Now our new principal for second year will be 100 plus 10, that is 110. Now this is principal for second year. So interest for second year is equal to, our new principal is 110 into 10 into 1 upon 100, 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled out. This is equal to rupees 11. Now, principal for third year will be 110 plus 11, so this will become 1 to rupees 1 to 1. Now, interest for third year, because we want to know interest for first year and third year, it is given. So interest for third year will be, now our new principal is 1 to 1 into 10 is the rate, 1 is the third year is also 1 year. So this is 12.10 is the third year interest. Now we have interest for first year and second year. So interest for first year is rupees 10 and interest for third year is 12. So interest for first year plus third year will be equal to 10 plus 12.10. So this will become 22.10. Now this 22.10 should be equated with 1728. So our sum or principal is equal to 100 upon 22.10 into 1768. Now if we remove this sign, 20 will be added, 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. Now, if we solve this, so this will be equal to, now 22, 8 are 17, 221 into 8 if we do, this is 8, 16, 1, 16 and 1, 17. So if 2 to 1 will, and this will be cancelled out, this will become 8. So now our initial principal is 8,000. Now we will solve one more numerical where SI for 3 years is given, that is rupees 600, while CI for 2 years is rupees 410. Now SI for 1 year is, SI for first year will be equal to, because SI will remain same for all the conversion period. So this is for 3 years, so I have divided it by 3. Now this is equal to 200. Now 200 is the SI for first year, same will be the CI for first year, that is rupees 200. Now CI for second year, because 2 year SI is given, that is rupees 400, so this is rupees 200, so 410 minus 200, that is rupees 210. Now initially we have, after first year we have interest of 200 and this time we have interest of 210. So what is the increase in interest? That increase in interest, increase in interest is 210 minus 200, that is rupees 10. Now 10 is the amount which has been we got from the interest on rupees 200, because this 10 is the only increase in interest. So increase in interest will work on the interest only, the first year interest. So now this rupees 10 is the, now rate percent if you want to calculate, this is the increase in interest. So this is working on the principal 200, because 200 is the increase in, 200 is the interest. So increase in interest will work only on the interest. So this is equal to 100 into I upon T into T, that is time. So we can write 100 into 10 upon, principal is 200 here, because this 10 rupees is due to interest on this principal. First year interest will work as principal for 10 rupees. Now time is 1 year, so if we cancel out this, we will get 5% annual is the rate percent. So like this we can solve number of problem. अगर मेरा ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए। आपके पास कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ मेरे पास भेजिए। थैंक यू।